Hey guys, I'm Mick Fong and welcome back to another episode of What's Up This Week with CoinHash. Today I'll be talking about some weekly news updates over the past week. So we'll be covering Apple Pay and Google Pay giving rebates for crypto, Google lifting bans on crypto exchanges and wallet advertisements, FTX and TSM having a $210 million deal, Dogecoin surges 40% due to Coinbase listing with 1.2 million giveaway, and we'll be looking at some TA at the end of the video. Coinbase debuts crypto rebate for online shopping via Apple Pay and Google Pay. Whitelisted Coinbase card users will be able to use crypto to pay via Apple Pay and Google Pay while earning up to 4% in rebates. So the article states that these online shoppers who pay using their Coinbase card via Apple Pay and Google Pay can start enjoying these crypto rebates. These are for whitelisted customers that are carefully selected. So firstly, I think this rebate program will really benefit the crypto space, as this extra 4% in rebates will really encourage users to make more purchases of cryptocurrency, of course through the means of Apple Pay and Google Pay. In terms of the crypto market, the future outlook looks very bullish with the entry of such big and large well-known institutions. This definitely increases the total addressable market, and we are definitely seeing mass adoption and higher acceptance of crypto in general. So search giant Google lifts 2018 ban on crypto exchange and wallet advertisements. So the new policy allows companies that have cleared rigorous regulatory hurdles to post ads. To sum up this article, it's saying that now cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets targeting the US can start advertising their products and services once they meet the following requirements and are certified by Google. So there was a previous ban back in 2018 to restrict the cryptocurrency ads that are directly listed on Google, and now that Google has lifted the ban, advertisements of cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets will definitely reach out to many more people, especially knowing how huge Google is when it comes to being a search engine giant. FTX crypto exchange seals $210 million naming rights deal for esports behemoth TSM. FTX is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges, and TSM is a well-known pro esports gaming team in popular games such as Valorant and League of Legends. According to the release issued on Friday, the deal is valued at $210 million, with the esports brand name changing to TSM FTX. So as part of the deal, TSM FTX will distribute crypto to players and employees, with the newly repurposed esports company also purchasing $1 million worth of FTT, which is the native token for the FTX exchange. There are millions of esports fans in the world, so this is really bullish for crypto in the long run, as now we have larger outreach to the younger audiences, and we might see an influx of new crypto investors coming soon. Okay, so on some coin news for the past week, Dogecoin surges 40% on back of Coinbase Pro listing and Elon Musk's tweets. So the meme coins renewed surge comes shortly after a listing on Coinbase and renewed meme posting by Elon Musk on Twitter. So last Wednesday, Dogecoin actually gained 40% after it being listed on Coinbase Pro, and another flurry of tweets from Elon Musk himself pumped the price of Dogecoin up. So this was the tweet that Elon Musk put out. I mean, this guy is pretty funny, but the fact that this guy can shift markets just by a single tweet shows how volatile the current market is, and you guys should really be careful when investing in such meme coins. In other Dogecoin news, Coinbase also announced that they were going to give away $1.2 million worth of Dogecoin. So in this article, it says that the winners must buy or sell at least $100 worth of Doge by June 10th to be eligible for this lucky draw. So this giveaway, in my opinion, will definitely draw the interest of new crypto investors. Doge has really made a name for itself in the past few months, especially due to the GME short squeeze back in January when Dogecoin just pumped up 8 times. Many new investors and even people who haven't been investing in cryptocurrency have heard of Dogecoin. Such a giveaway would definitely increase Coinbase users and cryptocurrency investors in general. And looking at the charts for Dogecoin on the 1 hourly candles, we can definitely see this pump of about 45% from the bottom to the peak. But looking at hindsight, the price definitely dropped back down So this is another case of buy the rumor and sell the news. So for new investors that are unfamiliar with crypto, this volatility is very common in the crypto space. Buying the rumor and selling the news is a very common strategy seen in crypto investing. So if you read the news late and you see the price at its highs, do be prepared that there will be a drop incoming. So the last piece of news for this weekly update is about the Ripple lawsuit currently ongoing. So Ripple seeks documents from 15 offshore exchanges, and it says it could be fatal to the SEC's charges. So Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larsen has filed a motion requesting the United States Securities and Exchange Commission to investigate Bitfinex's parent company IMMINENT and 14 other international cryptocurrency exchanges. So I'm not going to dive deep into this lawsuit. In terms of how it might affect XRP's current and future price, we still believe that if XRP's fundamentals hasn't changed, XRP will still have a bullish outlook. In terms of how it will affect the short-term price, if we still continue in this consolidation phase we are currently seeing in the crypto market, I would say this lawsuit wouldn't really affect XRP's price. Unless we are in a very large run-up in the bull trend, then this article might really hurt the price of XRP in the short run. But for now, we think that you should just keep a lookout for XRP's price and any updates on this lawsuit. Okay, so moving on to some technical analysis for this week. We're looking at the Bitcoin 4-hourly chart. As you can see, I've drawn out a symmetrical triangle, and we can see Bitcoin consolidating within this symmetrical triangle. So symmetrical triangles are also known as continuation patterns. It usually signals a continuation of what's currently happening in the market, and as you guys can see, we are currently having a bear trend in the market. So we're not saying that the bull run for crypto has ended and the bear market has started. We still believe that there's a lot of room to grow for the crypto market cap in general, but we have to acknowledge the fact that we are currently in a bear trend. So what to look out for? If the price of Bitcoin does break out downwards out of this triangle, we might see it retest the lows of 30,000 and go even lower than 25,000 or 20,000 if it were to break through the support level at 30,000. However, if it breaks out of the triangle upwards, we might see a quick run up to the 42,000 level resistance. And if it clearly breaks through the 42,000 level resistance, we might see another push up to the 47,000 resistance levels. So do keep a lookout for Bitcoin's price in the coming days, because it's really reaching the end of the triangle. And do remember, this is not financial advice and we are not financial advisors. So what should you do now that Bitcoin's price is fluctuating and consolidating in the middle? Well, I would say to new investors, do not FOMO out when you start seeing the price go up again. You can tell that we did break out of the triangle for a short while but immediately crashed back into the triangle. So we believe there are two safe options you can go for now. Firstly, if you're really bullish on the Bitcoin price in the next few days, we believe that once Bitcoin cleanly breaks out of this 42k resistance and flips it into support, this is where you can start adding into your long-term high conviction coins. Another method is to wait for Bitcoin to drop back to its lows of 30,000 to 33,000 and add into your long-term high conviction holds. So to new crypto investors, please do not FOMO at these prices, because the price right now, especially at such levels, is very dangerous. It will be a coin flip for you. You can't really tell it will go up or down. And yes, buying here compared to buying here might lose you like 20% gains. But the goal here is to protect our capital, make money, and not to lose any money. Would you want to risk all this downside just to gain maybe another 20%? We wouldn't do so. So that's it for this episode of What's Up This Week with CoinHash. If you enjoy our content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow all our social media links in the description. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.